Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you will be good. Now today I will deliver the lecture number 6 of English for class nursery, and the topic of the lecture is letter E, reading plus writing. It's mean today we will do the fifth letter in alphabets. Okay, now let's do the first part. What comes after letter D? Yes, which is the fifth letter in alphabets. Wow, yes, here you can see the fifth letter in alphabets. E. What comes after letter D? E. This is small e. This is a lowercase, and the sound of this letter is a. E, a. It has a short sound. E, a. E, a. Okay. What's begin with this letter? Yes, here you can see the first picture for this letter. Wow, this is an elephant. This is a biggest animal. This is a biggest animal. Elephant. E, a, elephant. E is the first letter in elephant. Okay, now next. Yes, this is an egg. E, a, egg. E is the first letter in egg. E, a, egg. Okay, now come to the next word. Yes, envelope. Yes, here you can see an envelope. Okay, E, a, envelope. Yes, E is the first letter in envelope. Envelope. Yes, now next is, yes, this is an I. Okay. E, a, I. Yes, E is the first letter in I. Okay. Yes, an eye is a very important part in our body. And we can see everything with the help of this eye. So we should thankful to Allah for this blessing. Okay. Now here we have completed the first part. Now let's do the next part. Okay, this part is related with instruction for writing. Yes, this part is about instruction for writing. So, yes, for this you can hear a line pattern. Yes, how we will write small e on a line pattern. Okay, for this, first of all, I will discuss this line pattern in front of you. Yes, this is top line, next is middle line, base line and lower line. Okay, now here I have a small e for tracing. Okay, first I will make a slant line like this. Now touch the middle line. Okay, and make an anti-clockwise half circle. Again I will make a slant line between middle and base line. Okay, now touch the middle line, and here I will make an anti-clockwise half circle and touch the base line. This is small e and it should be in two lines, middle and base. This is a grass letter. Okay, now here I will write small e without dots. Okay, for small e, I will take start between middle and base line. So first I will draw an I will draw a slant line. And now touch the middle line. Here I will make an anti-clockwise half circle and touch the base line. This is small e. Okay, now again for small e, first I will make a slant line like this and touch the middle line. Okay, and now here I will make an anti-clockwise half circle and touch the base line. Yes, this is small e and it should be in two lines, middle and base. Okay, and the sound of this letter is A. E, A, E, A. It has a short sound. E, A, E, A. Now we will do an activity. Yes, trace and complete the picture. Okay, now for this you can see a hollow E on your screen. Okay, first of all, I will complete the picture for this letter and then I will trace the given track inside this letter. So, first, yes, I will put a picture with this letter. Wow, what is this? Yes, this is a big ear. Yes, ear. Yes. How many ears we have? 2 ears. We have 2 ears. So, we can hear with the help of ears. Okay, this is another big blessing for us. Yes, I have put it 1 ear with this letter. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now, next. Yes. Wow. Yes, I have put it an I. Wow. E-A-I. Great. Okay. Now, next. Yes. Now. Yes. I have put it another eye. Yes, now we have put it 2 eyes on this letter. Yes. Now, what is this? Can you guess it? About the picture, about this picture? Wow, this is an elephant. This is an elephant. Elephant. Wow. Okay. Now, I will trace this track with the help of pencil. Okay. Yes. Now, start from this dot. Yes. Like this. Yes. We will connect all the dots in proper way. Very good. And yes, here I will make an anti-clockwise half circle like this. Yes. Okay. And like, yes, I have completed it. Yes. Okay. Now this is small e. Okay. This is an elephant. Okay. This is a trunk of an elephant, eyes and a big ear. Okay. I hope you enjoyed a lot. Now the lecture has been completed here. Inshallah, we will meet again with the next lecture on tomorrow. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you very much.